In order to access CloudQuant from your own environment, you will have downloaded a zip file from our webpage, which will contain some files. To run the code that you've received, you'll first need to install a number of dependencies or requirements. There are a few different ways to achieve this. The most common are conda install or pip install. They follow the same format, just the first word changes. So I'm going to use pip install requests space pandas space pi arrow space pi open SSL. Now, with all of the libraries and their dependencies installed, you should be able to run the example provided.